Do you ever think about how massive logs turn into perfect planks? Well, you need to dive into the world of sawmills. With ultra-fast cutters, these machines aren't just about slicing through wood. They redefine precision and efficiency in the timber industry. Whether you're a forest professional or just a keen observer, these giants of wood processing promise to impress. Let's explore the best in sawmill technology. How about tackling the toughest trees with Stihl MS 881? This chainsaw is engineered to handle massive trees up to 6 feet thick. It has a powerful 121 cubic inch, 8.2 horsepower engine. This makes quick work of even the most challenging jobs. Despite its strength, it is surprisingly lightweight at just 29.2 pounds. The Stihl MS 881 comes with an elasto start system to ensure smooth startups every time. It also features the renowned Stihl 2 MIX engine. This engine enhances fuel efficiency without sacrificing performance. With advanced guide bar and chain technology, this chainsaw delivers exceptional precision. For any task like clearing land or cutting large timber, the MS 881 helps you effortlessly and efficiently. It's more than just a tool. It's your key to conquering vast, untamed landscapes with ease. If you enjoy our content, please like and subscribe for more incredible machine videos. Witness the Mebor SLH 1200, a debarking machine shaking up the sawmill industry with its unmatched efficiency. This heavy-duty machine can handle logs up to 47 inches in diameter. It boasts an incredible throughput, processing up to 120 logs per hour. That's way faster than traditional debarking methods. What makes the Mebor SLH 1200 stand out? Precision and minimal wood loss, thanks to its robust 30 horsepower debarking head equipped with sharp knives. This machine doesn't just strip bark away, it does so with meticulous care. And there's more. This machine is smart too. An intelligent scanner automatically adjusts the debarking process for each log, making operation a breeze. Be it manual control, the ease of remote access, or the smoothness of fully automatic operations, the Mebor SLH 1200 adapts to your needs. Transform your backyard with the Norwood Lumbermate 2000, a portable sawmill that redefines woodworking. This sawmill effortlessly turns logs up to 23 inches wide into smooth, dimensional lumber. It features a robust frame and a powerful gas engine-driven 7-inch blade. The innovative track system with sturdy aluminum rails ensures precision with every cut. The Lumbermate's versatility is unmatched, as it easily produces boards of various thicknesses, beams, posts, and even siding. Its adjustable head block makes complex cuts simple, broadening its utility. Beyond cutting, the Lumbermate opens the door to numerous crafting projects, from workbenches and sheds to cabins. It empowers you with the tools for creativity and self-reliance, making the Lumbermate a key to a world of woodworking possibilities. Dive into the power of the Ledinek Rollex XP. This machine is a true game changer in woodworking technology, making it simple to transform straight boards into wide, curved masterpieces. Whether you're crafting something as expansive as an 8-foot wide or as long as 32 feet, the PolyPress handles it with ease. Using cutting-edge technology, this machine allows users to input specific design parameters into its intuitive software. This software cleverly directs the machine's motorized forming and pressing shoes, ensuring every bend is precise. Meanwhile, hydraulic cylinders apply just the right amount of pressure, guiding the wood smoothly through its transformation. The process can be quick or take a bit longer, depending on the project's complexity. making the polypress ideal for both unique custom jobs and high-volume production. It opens up a whole new realm of creative possibilities in woodworking, where your imagination is the only limit. Introducing the Timberline Tree Shear, your perfect partner for clearing land. This incredible machine makes cutting down unruly trees a breeze. It slices through trees up to 14 inches in diameter. Additionally, it works in real time and reduces hard work. Simply attach it to your skid steer and its hydraulic power takes over. The unique jaw design of the Timberline ensures each cut is clean and precise. But that's not all. The Timberline also doubles as a versatile grapple. Thanks to its 110-degree hydraulic rotation, you can easily and efficiently place trees where you need them. Additionally, the Timberline Tree Shear is built to handle the demands of any job site with its robust construction and easy maneuverability. It's ideal for tackling various land management tasks, from clearing for construction projects to managing overgrowth in agricultural fields. Explore the capabilities of the Staatsmulcher FAE PT3000. This formidable machine is equipped with a 222 horsepower Cat C 7.1 engine that allows it to effortlessly tackle thick vegetation up to 12 inches thick. Its robust track chassis conquers slopes as steep as 45 degrees with ease, making it the ultimate terrain conqueror. The PT3000's exceptional performance is further enhanced by its pendulum suspension, which provides surgical precision for thorough mulching across any terrain. Not just powerful, this machine is versatile too, equipped with various attachments that enable it to handle a range of tasks. Inside, the spacious cab offers comfort and control, making it a favorite for operators who spend long hours on demanding projects. The Staatsmulcher FAE PT3000 stands out as a reliable and efficient choice, designed to maximize maneuverability in challenging environments. Meet the Posch Spaltfix K600, your ultimate firewood champion. This powerful machine can tackle logs up to 24 inches thick with ease. It boasts a two-step system that starts with a precision chainsaw. This saw features automatic chain tensioning for sharp, clean cuts every time. After the chainsaw, the logs meet the auto-split hydraulic ram, which effortlessly splits them into the firewood sizes you need. Not just strong, the Spaltfix K600 is also smart. It's designed to fit into tight spaces and includes joystick controls, making it easy to operate. This means you can say goodbye to backaches from splitting wood the old-fashioned way. With the Spaltfix K600, preparing your firewood becomes a simple, pain-free task. Let it do the heavy lifting and enjoy a warm, cozy winter without the hassle. This machine is truly a game changer in managing your woodpile. Discover the convenience of the Tepkem portable electric log cutter. A compact powerhouse that makes log cutting a breeze. Powered by a robust 10-horsepower electric motor, this machine is all about efficient and quiet operation. It can slice through logs up to 14 inches thick with remarkable ease. It also features an emergency stop button and integrated guards to protect users during operation. What makes the Tepkem truly stand out is its versatile design. The ability to swap blades easily allows it to handle various cutting tasks. This machine combines portability with powerful performance, ensuring that wherever you are, you have the capability to cut wood safely and effectively. The Tepkem is not just a tool, it's a revolution in wood cutting, packing portability, power, and safety into one efficient package. Meet the Neuhauser K+ Dine hammer, a powerhouse in timber processing that turns debarking into an art form. This mobile marvel features a telescopic arm that can extend up to 20.6 feet, making it incredibly adaptable to logs of different sizes and shapes. With its ability to peel bark with surgical precision, the K+ Dine hammer ensures each log is handled with care and efficiency. Safety is a major focus, with integrated guards and advanced stability features protecting both the machine and its operator. Be ready to see how the Neuhauser K+ Dine hammer can elevate your timber processing tasks to the next level. Elevate your forest management with the Advaligno Patas, a machine that climbs and delimbs trees swiftly and safely. The Patas swiftly climbs trees up to 40 feet in just 8 seconds, bringing unprecedented speed and precision to forest management tasks. Designed for safety and efficiency, it excels in deliming with careful precision, ensuring minimal bark damage. But that's not all. This versatile machine also easily handles thinning, crown clearing, and even fruit harvesting. With its sturdy construction and advanced stability features, the Advaligno Patas prioritizes safety. Also, it's operated remotely, which means you can control it from a distance. Last but not least, its interface is easy for anyone to operate. Enter the domain of the Logosol Big Mill, a lumber processor for serious woodworkers. This robust machine is a dream for serious woodworkers, handling massive logs up to 32 feet long and 32 inches thick with ease. At its heart lies a strong 13-horsepower electric motor paired with a 22-inch bandsaw. This dynamic duo effortlessly cuts through rough timber, turning it into precise, smooth slabs. What sets the Big Mill apart is not just its strength, but also its precision. Whether you're aiming for efficiency or accuracy, the Logosol Big Mill stands ready to exceed expectations, making it a top choice for transforming big logs into beautiful boards. Introducing the Komptech Chippo 5010 CD, a mighty wood processing machine that effortlessly transforms branches into fine mulch. It can tackle logs up to 11.8 inches thick with the precision of a Swiss watch. Powered by a robust 280 horsepower engine and equipped with smart sensors, this machine consistently produces uniform wood chips. Not only is it powerful, but the Chippo 5010 CD is also highly efficient. It features an automatic hydraulic feed system that boosts output while cutting down on fuel use. This versatile beast can handle stumps, root balls, and even pallets with ease. Moreover, this machine is an eco-friendly champion. It operates cleanly, reducing emissions and waste, making it a top choice for landscaping, agriculture, and energy production. With the Chippo 5010 CD, efficiency meets sustainability in wood processing. Explore the Rambichler Der Schapser, a mobile debarker that excels in remote timber processing. Mounted on a sturdy all-terrain chassis, this powerful machine features a telescopic arm that can reach logs up to 26 feet away, right in the forest. It comes equipped with an articulating grapple and a top-performing debarking head that strips bark off with amazing precision, ensuring that the wood underneath is preserved. The Schapser isn't just about peeling bark, it's designed to handle a variety of tasks with ease, from cutting logs to clearing brush. The smart control system automatically adjusts to different log types, ensuring every job is done perfectly without needing manual tweaks. This agile beast is a true force in the forestry sector, delivering exceptional results every time. Witness the efficiency of the Posch Spaltfix S375 in firewood processing. This machine effortlessly transforms logs up to 18.5 inches thick into ready-to-use firewood chunks. Watch as logs are smoothly fed into the in-feed conveyor, securely held by powerful clamping arms and rapidly guided toward a sharp circular saw. But the Spaltfix S375 isn't just about cutting fast, it excels in splitting too. Durable and intelligently designed, the Spaltfix S375 speeds up firewood processing while ensuring lasting performance. It's not just a machine, it's a revolution in making firewood preparation simpler and more efficient. Step into efficiency with a Raver debarker, a powerhouse that transforms timber with great efficiency. This machine handles logs up to 47 inches in diameter, stripping away bark with precision. The adaptive knives carefully sculpt the log, minimizing wood loss and revealing smooth, pristine wood beneath. The Raver debarker is smart, automatically adjusting to the size of each log to ensure the best efficiency. It can process up to 120 logs per hour, making it a true production giant with low maintenance needs. With optional features that enhance its versatility, the Raver debarker is a game changer for sawmills. We've just explored some of the most impressive sawmills and forestry machines around. Each one brings something unique to the table, from speed to precision to eco-friendliness. If you enjoyed this journey through cutting-edge timber processing, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more awesome content on construction machinery and engineering. Keep cutting and keep watching.